Welcome to the Learn EndNote podcast. Today we're going to cover how to create an EndNote library and how to back it up. The library you create in EndNote will be the place where you store all your references and file attachments. Once you've started building your library of references, you'll be able to cite them in your papers. We recommend you keep one library and store all your references in that library. By using the Groups feature in EndNote, you'll still be able to organize references within the library by paper or topic and so forth. Be sure to check out our video on creating groups within your library. You'll find the link to the Groups video in the About section of this video. If you've just installed EndNote and are starting the program for the first time, you can create a library by clicking on the Create a New Library option in the Welcome message. If you close this message or choose another option, you can always create your library at a later time by going to the File menu in EndNote and choosing New. Next, you'll be prompted to save your library to a folder. For convenience, we recommend saving your library to your Documents folder in case you need to find it later on. Give your library a name and click the Save button. If you go to the folder where you just saved your library, you'll notice that two items were created: a file with an EndNote icon and a folder with the same name as the file. If your computer is set to show extensions, the file will have a .enl extension and the folder will have a .data extension. It's important to remember that your library is comprised of both items, so do not delete the folder, as it will eventually store things like your file attachments, your terms lists, and your references. Also, do not drag the file into the folder. You want to keep these items separate, but together in the same folder, and you'll be fine. When it comes time to backing up your library, which you should do on a regular basis, here's the best way to do it. You'll want to open your library in EndNote, go to the File menu, and use the compressed library.enlx command. This command will compress the .enl file and .data folder into one file ending with a .enlx extension, and you'll be able to save this file to wherever you keep your backups. If you ever need to use a backup library, just go to the File menu in EndNote, choose Open Library, and open the .enlx file. EndNote will extract the file and .data folder from the compressed file for you.